If you're a marketer, entrepreneur, creator, developer, writer, whatever, if you're anybody who is striving to get better, then welcome. You're in this right place. This is my YouTube channel, and every single week you're gonna be met with content that's gonna help you be better. If you're in the wonderful world of marketing, then you're gonna get stories and pieces of content that are gonna show you the ins and outs of this industry, of this space, whether it's SEO and AI and how these tools are going to allow you to elevate your career, your systems, your processes, and so much more. Or you're an entrepreneur trying to unlock your first 100K or 1 mil. I am going to be producing content and stories that are gonna help you get there as well. And if you're just looking to develop yourself, if you're just looking to grow your skills and level up as a human, then you're also in the right place. Because every single week, I'm gonna be distributing and promoting stories that ultimately will give you the tools that you need to be better, to improve. So thank you for joining, hit that subscribe button, and I hope that you enjoy all of the content that I have in store for you.